Okay, we are heeling over. How fast are we going, Kaya?
We're going so fast that the sail's touching the water.
The sail's touching the water!
Hello, Father.
Hello, daughter.
So what's your name?
Captain Greg.
How are you enjoying the sailing day today?
Well, we got a good thing of coffee. We had a good sleep overnight in the boat last night, and now we're sailing home while Mummy runs home. Look at our dinghy. There's no doubt that our sailboat has brought tons of fun and joy to our family and friends. Cannonball! Every time we would set sail, we'd always keep a keen eye on possible waterfront properties. We would also have to keep a careful eye out for pirates riding jet skis.
Oh, what a beautiful morning to be sailing in the St. John River. So nice.
One of my highlights of sailing over the last few summers is the fact that my daughter Kaya has fallen in love with it, the same way I did at her age.
Beautiful morning. Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. There is a million reasons why I love sailing. First of all, you spend your time outdoors and with nature. And also, you get to spend time with your family and friends.
I'm a loving sail!
I'm a loving sail.
I get to learn a lot. Every time I go on a sailing trip, I'll learn a new thing.
We have to do something that's called tacking, which means we have to change direction so the wind's gonna come on the other side of the boat. See this? This is called the jib sheet. I'm gonna let that go, and I'm gonna turn the boat. Once I turn around, I'm gonna pull this one in.
Willow, what's your favorite part of sailing?
Relaxing.
I also learned how to skipper. And skippering means you get to be the boss.
Well, this is it. We gotta take the boat in for the season. And it's early in the morning, and we gotta take her out. Good season. Looking forward to next year.
And off in the distance is Greg's boat up in the air being washed with a pressure washer.
What's actually sweet is that over the last 2 summers of sailing past Ragged Point on the Kennebecasis River, we finally realized that it was there that we needed to be. Note the sunshine on our neighbor's beach. Neighbor's beach? Did I give too much away here? So tune into the next episode to see if we get a little bit closer to getting a spot on Ragged Point. Well, my dinghy's about to sink. I left her out for a few too many gales, I must say. Look at that, eh? Good thing we came down with the old bilge pump.